Big construction site just there. They're building a lot of houses. Runs all the way up alongside of the canal, that site. Right, apparently the team are working down here today. I've got to go and meet a chap called Brian, who's the boss of the construction team. There's a bit of water flowing out of there. So that's where they're working today, laying bricks along here. So that bit they're working on there. Right, that's my first job of the day done, was to backfill that and pack it down level with the block work. Lovely. Well, I'm going over there now. Apparently that's the last volunteer that answered back. I just thought I'd get a shot from down here. That's where we're working, just up there. This section's already a bit concreted, as you can see, finished. And down there, that's the very first section that I was showing around, that's all in water now and completely finished. Apparently this section we're working on here is supposed to be in water by Christmas this year, so by the end of the year it should be all finished and watered up down here. Right, that's lunchtime. Basically what I've been doing, just backfilling all that soil in there around the back of them pipes, just to make it a bit more solid, stop that bank sliding down. And now the bricklayers can carry on bricking up the front. But we're going for a cup of tea now.
And didn't go too badly, I think. I think it's cooler again. Once they stick it out of the boat, I think you just squeeze away.
I didn't notice these last time. 2 herons there. The old lot. So we've just had our lunch break and I'm walking back down now. Then I'm going to do a couple more hours and then that'll be me today.